Welcome to Maxon's headquarters in Switzerland. At Maxon, we are constantly working to improve on our products, systems, and services. Our ultimate goal is to align these products, systems, and services with the industry requirements in the most diverse markets for today and the future. In collaboration with our customers and sales engineers all over the world, we permanently strive to find the perfect solution for every market need, as complicated as it may seem to be. Today, we are excited to present some fantastic examples of maxon drive technology for various industry applications. So, let's start it off with the SCARA robot.
My name is Marcus. I'm head of the business unit Mobility Solutions, and I'm pleased to start this year's Maxon event. In our business field, Maxon is historically known for motors and motor gear combinations with the highest torque and power density. Consequently, we are developing improved integrated motion control modules, making it easier for customers to design their specific machines with small industrial robots. These modules are targeted for lightweight robots or cobot applications with multiple axes and a typical maximum payload of 18 kilos. They also have an operational radius of around 1.5 meters. The core of these joint modules is a combination of different components, such as high torque density motors, zero backlash gearheads, 1 or 2 encoders, an optional holding brake, and torque sensor. By the way, the whole system utilizes maxon controllers. Now, over to Daniel to talk about our next product innovation, the developer kit for exoskeletons.
Thanks, Marcus. My name is Daniel, and I'm a product manager at Maxon. Here, you can see the new developer kit for exoskeletons. It's ready to be used in development projects for exoskeletons, power-assisted suits, and assistive robots. This unit contains the new Maxon EC frameless DT50 motor with TS6 mag encoder. It's directly connected to a strain wave gear and has an absolute output encoder. Everything is mounted in an aluminium housing and is controlled by E+4 motion controller from Maxon. A detailed user manual with tons of helpful information decreases the commissioning time. This developer kit is the perfect start for new projects, and we are helping our customers to shorten their time to market by using our expertise. Now, let's talk about AGVS.
Hi, my name is Marcel. I'm an applications engineer at Maxon, and my job consists of developing drive systems and providing technical support to our customers and to our excellent sales managers. Here you can see a demo from our e-mobility business unit that shows many of Maxon's competencies. The wheel drives are based on our flat motors, which are coupled to a planetary gearhead, an incremental encoder, a spring-activated brake, and around everything we have the housing with integrated bearings to carry large loads. We also see our newest programmable motion controller, the Minimax 6. Power is being supplied from 2 batteries with an in-house developed battery management system. Although this wheel drive concept is based on a flat motor, applications with higher power demands in the fields of autonomous surveillance, intralogistics, and even farming will benefit from our powerful IDX and Parvalux drives. And now to Sebastian, who will show you something about our new app.
Recently, we built 2 new apps for our BIKEDRIVE AIR system. The first application is for the manufacturers and dealers. With this app, bikes can be registered and configured. For example, we can set how the system support reacts while somebody is riding the bike, and what kind of personal contributions the bikers can make. The great thing is that we can track the system status from the app via the cloud in our ERP. We already receive a lot of information about our systems in the market, but we are only at the beginning here and will expand the analysis possibilities going forward. We also provide the customers with an app on the same base as the service app. The end user can also use it to make adjustments to the bike. Next, let's look at our pump demonstrator.
My name is Sandro and I'm a Business Development Manager for Laboratory Automation at Maxon. Here you can see a demonstration of the pulsation-free micropump, which was originally developed and patented by CSCM, a Swiss research institute specialized in life science, and further optimized and industrialized by Maxon. The pump is based on the principle of a Tesla turbine and has the advantage that it can be used for bidirectional flow without any pulsation, compared to a diaphragm pump, as you can see here. But not only that, it pipettes or fills the smallest volumes in the range of 1 microliter with a standard deviation of less than 0.5%. It is hermetically sealed from the motor with a magnetic coupling and biocompatible thanks to the use of titanium. Incredibly, all 3 pumps and the motor on the back can be controlled with Maxon's Minimax multi-axis controller. Now to another Maxon solution, which can be found in the sky.
My name is Roman and I'm a Technical Project Manager at Maxon's Aerospace Business Unit. Here you can see our Maxon test drone. It was developed to complement our testing capabilities, to collect real flight data and gather experience with the overall drone system. It's important to note that before the products are sent for flight testing, Maxon performs various tests and reliably measures the performance data of the products with the help of a thrust stand. Currently, we run tests with the Maxon EC87 flat UAV motor, an optimally matched propeller, and the Maxon UAV ESC 5230. All Maxon UAV products are designed for high reliability and efficiency to maximize flight and operating times in professional drone applications. A thorough test plan to ensure the highest quality is without question at Maxon. So now back to Martin, who will close this year's Maxon event.
To recap, we saw a demonstration of a lightweight SCARA robot powered by Maxon's robot joints, positioning and master controllers. A developer kit for exoskeletons based on a Maxon EC frameless motor with an off-axis encoder and motion controller. A demonstrator of an AGV, including Maxon's wheel drive, motion controller and battery management. Apps for our invisible, lightweight Maxon BIKEDRIVE AIR, which we can configure, adjust and track. A demonstration of a pulsation-free micropump driven by Maxon motors and multi-axis controller. And finally, a drone powered by Maxon UAV motors with matching propellers and ESC controller. Impressive, isn't it? We look forward to seeing how our drive systems power your applications. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget, keep moving.